नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 की मैथमेटिक्स में फर्स्ट चैप्टर नोइंग आवर नंबर्स पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए और नोइंग आवर नंबर्स चैप्टर से संबंधित जानकारियां हासिल कीजिए। सो डियर, enjoy the video. Let us start. So first of all, class 6 mathematics and knowing our numbers. So here is first of all I want to tell you that about the concept of this chapter. So let us start here. Natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? Numbers which we used in the counting are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinite. These all numbers are natural numbers. Now moving for next things, here is whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? If 0 included in the natural numbers, then the numbers are called natural numbers. Means if we include 0 को भी अगर हम नेचुरल नंबर में इंक्लूड कर लें तो वो सारे नंबर्स होल नंबर्स कहे जाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and up to infinite. These all numbers are known as whole numbers. Now dear, how to know about these numbers? Smallest natural number is 1. Keep in your mind always that smallest natural number is 1 and the largest natural number, this is undefined, that is infinite. Nobody know about the largest natural numbers, so you can say that it is undefined. Okay, otherwise you can say here it is infinite. Now what is the smallest whole number? So dear, smallest whole number is 0. So keep in mind that smallest whole number is 0 and again largest whole number is indefined, infinite. Okay. So now moving for next, how to read the numbers. So here first of all I want to tell you that about the digits. There are total 10 digits in the counting and these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Means these total are 10 digits. So keep in mind that about the digits. Total digits are 10 and these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now dear, here is next things, reading of numbers, Indian system and the international system. We can read these numbers in two systems. First one is Indian system and second one is international system. So what is the Indian system? So first of all I want to know about Indian system. Indian system we will read as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, arab, 10 arab and then kharab and 10 kharab and so on. These are the Indian systems. Okay. Now here is how can you read the numbers into the Indian system. Always you will read the numbers from the right hand side, and you can see that in this right hand side here is O. O means ones, T means tens, H means 100, and TH means 1000. TTH means 10,000, L means lakh, and TL means 10 lakh. After that crores, and then 10 crores. So here you will start from the right hand side. Okay. Now let one here. These are the system to read: ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Okay. So you will start to count. It is from the right hand side, that is from the ones. Okay. Now next one, how can you read the numbers? Let us first one example, that is, this is the example for you, that is 527064,239. This is a largest number. How can you read? You will start from the right hand side, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So you will get this is just like that. 52 crores means when we count this from the ones, then we will stop at 10 crores. So we will start the reading of numbers. 52 crores. This is the crore and 10 crore. 10 crore means 52 crores. And then 10 lakhs. So we will write it 70 lakhs. 7 and 0 means 70 lakhs. And 10,000. 10,000 means this is 6 and 4. So we can write it as 64,000. And then 2 is the 100, and 3 is the 10, and 9 is the ones. So we can say that this is 239. Okay, so finally you can read these numbers as from the right hand side, that is 52 crores 70 lakh 64,239. Okay, so now dear, next one is here. How can you insert the commas in the Indian system? So keep in your mind, always insert commas from right hand side in the starting with 3 digits, and then every 2 digits after this from right hand side. It means जब भी हम कॉमा लगाएंगे तो राइट हैंड से स्टार्ट करेंगे, राइट हैंड से 3 डिजिट हम काउंट कर लेंगे और 3 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा, फर्स्ट कॉमा इंसर्ट करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट एवरी 2 डिजिट यू काउंट एंड मार्क द कॉमा. उसके बाद फिर हर एक 2 डिजिट के बाद आपको कॉमा इंसर्ट करना है. तो आपने क्या यहां पे सीखा? स्टार्टिंग में आप कितने डिजिट काउंट करेंगे? 3 डिजिट के बाद आप कॉमा इंसर्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद एवरी 2 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा इंसर्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज द सिस्टम टू इंसर्टिंग commas into the Indian system. Now, example, we will read from the left hand side, that is 7 0 9 8 2 5 4 6 3. So how can we insert the commas? Here you count 1 2 3 digits. So you will put here comma between 8 and 9. After that every 2 digit you once again count 2 digit only. After that you will get 1 digit and 2 digits. So you will insert the comma between 5 and 2. So you will get just like that. And after that again you will count only 2 digit, 5 and 4. So 1 digit, 2 digit, and you will put the comma between 6 and 4, that is here. So you will get just like that. And then again you count 2 digits, so 1 digit and 2 digits. After that the digit is end, so no need to insert comma more. And you can write this number into the Indian system, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It means 36 crore 45 lakh and 28,907. So this is the Indian system. And let us one more example. So this is the number. You can see here 64280135594, and you will start to count the digit from the right hand side, means from here. So you can count 1, 2, 3 digit, and you will insert the comma between the digit 3 and 5. So you will get just like that, first comma. And now you will count only 2 digit after this, that is 1 digit and 2 digits. So you will mark the comma between 0 and 1. So it is there. Just again you count 2 digit, 1 digit and 2 digit. So you will mark the comma between 2 and 8. You will get just like that. And then again you will count 2 digit only into the Indian system. So 1 digit and 2 digit. So you will mark the next comma between 6 and 4. You will get just like that. And after that here is only single digit. So no need to insert the comma here. So this is the process to inserting the comma into the Indian system. तो आपने सीखा कि आपको करना क्या है. पहले 3 डिजिट काउंट करने हैं, उसके बाद एवरी 2 डिजिट. यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट, फिर 2 डिजिट के बाद, उसके बाद फिर 2 डिजिट. तो और उसके बाद फिर जितने भी लास्ट में डिजिट बचेंगे, अगर यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट का पेयर है तो आगे बढ़ेंगे, नहीं है तो यहीं पर प्रोसेस एंड हो जाएगा. International system. And how can you read the numbers into the international system? So first of all, you know about the reading of numbers. Here you will once again start from ones. Ones, after that tens, then hundreds and thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay dear. Now next one is, this is million, 10 million, 100 million, 1000 million, 10,000 million and 100,000 million. After that billion and 10 billion and so on. You can read the numbers. Okay. So keep in your mind how can you read the numbers. You will start once again from ones. Okay. And then tens, 100. After that stop. Next one things is 1000, and 1000 once again goes to the 100, that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And after that it will be changed, that is million, million, 10 million, 100 million, 1000 million, 10,000 million, and again you will stop here 100,000 million. At the 100 you will stop, and next things will be come here, that is billion, and after that 10 billion and so on. We can read, that is 100 billion, 1000 billion, 10,000 billion and so on. Okay dear. Now let us an example how can we read the numbers into the international system. Okay, so this is the system to read the numbers, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After that it will be changed to million, million, 10 million, 100 million, 1000 million and 10,000 million. After that it will be again changed. Okay, so now you will read this number such that it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, and so on, 1000 million. Okay, so now how can you read these numbers? This is 48, 10,000 million. 10,000 million means you will read 48 simultaneously. 48,527 million 100 64,239. So this is the number you can see here. This is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, 1,000 million, 10,000 million. So you will 10,000 million means you will read simultaneously as 48, and this is 1000. So 48,000. After that, next one, this is 100, and this is 10, and this is million, 10 million, and 100 million. So 100 means 527, and this is the million. So you will write here it is 527 million. Okay, now this is 100. So you will read as 164. And what is this things? 1000. So you can write it 164,000, and 239 you will read as the Indian system. 239 को इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से ही पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन बाकी का ये 1000 और मिलियन रहता है, और मिलियन के बाद सीधा बिलियन आता है। तो इस तरह से हम नंबर को रीड करेंगे। एक बार फिर से समझ लीजिए, यहाँ पे आपका क्या है, 10,000 मिलियन लिखा है और यहाँ पे 1000 मिलियन लिखा है। तो उन दोनों को एक साथ पढ़ेंगे। 48,000 है तो 1000 बोलेंगे, 48,000। ओके, नाउ हियर इज 100 मिलियन, और यहाँ पे 10 मिलियन है, और यहाँ पे मिलियन है। तो 100 है तो आप बोलोगे 527, और ये मिलियन के बाद फिर चेंज हो जाएगा, तो आपको यहां लिखना पड़ेगा 527 मिलियन। यहां से लेकर यहां तक टोटल मिलियन चल रहा था। मिलियन एम से स्टार्ट हुआ और 10,000 मिलियन पे स्टॉप हुआ। तो ये पूरा नंबर आप पढ़ लेंगे, तब आप बोलेंगे यहां पे लास्ट में मिलियन मीन्स 48,527 एंड देन मिलियन। आफ्टर दैट ये क्या है, 1000 है, तो ये पूरा नंबर पढ़ लेंगे। कितना है, 164, और यहाँ पे 1000 लिखा है तो आप बोलेंगे 164,000 एंड सिंपली 239। सो दिस इज द international system, and you can read this is from the left hand side. So now dear, next one example for the international system, and you can see here, and here is ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and then million, 10 million, 100 million, 1000 million, 10,000 million, and after that 100,000 million। 100 के बाद फिर ये चेंज हो जाएगा, 100,000 मिलियन के बाद आएगा बिलियन, एंड आफ्टर दैट 10 बिलियन, फिर नेक्स्ट होगा 100 बिलियन, एंड अगेन 1000 बिलियन, 10,000 बिलियन, एंड सो ऑन। सो दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट नंबर, हाउ कैन यू रीड? ओके डियर, सो यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज 10 billion and this is billion, so you will read simultaneously, this is totally billion. So 54 billion, you can say that 54 billion, and this is total million from 100,000 million to this 4 तक आपको यहाँ पे मिलियन पढ़ना है। तो आप बोलेंगे 800, 100 है ना, तो 852 और क्या है 1000, तो 852,714, और इसके बाद फिर क्या है मिलियन। मिलियन यहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है तो मिलियन अब बोलना है। एक बार फिर से समझिए, केवल बिलियन में 2 ही डिजिट आ रहे हैं तो हम बोलेंगे 54 बिलियन, और मिलियन में आप देखिए यहां से लेकर सारे के सारे डिजिट आ रहे हैं। कौन कौन से डिजिट आ रहे हैं, 4, 1, 7, 2, 5, 8, ये सभी मिलियन में आ रहे हैं। तो हम उसी हिसाब से इसे रीड भी करेंगे। तो देखिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, 100,000 मिलियन, तो 100 बोलना है, 852 और क्या था 1000, सो 852 एंड देन अगेन इट इज 100, 714 मिलियन। यहां पे क्या था 852,000 और यहां पे केवल कितना है 714 एंड देन यू कैन से दैट इट इज मिलियन. After that 640,000. This is totally 1,000, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 640,000 and 236. So you can write in the words this number as 54,852,714,640,236. So try to read and practice well so you can read a largest number into the international system. Now dear, how can you insert the commas into the international system? So dear, keep in your mind how can you insert the comma into the international system. Always inserts commas from the right hand side. इसमें भी ध्यान रखना है कि commas को हम start करेंगे right hand side से count करेंगे. We will insert commas in every 3 digits from the right hand side. राइट हैंड साइड से हम डिजिट काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 एंड वी विल मार्क ए कॉमा. अगेन वी विल काउंट 1 2 3 एंड मार्क ए कॉमा. अगेन वी विल काउंट 1 2 3 एंड देन मार्क ए कॉमा. दिस प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूड अप टू द एंड ऑफ डिजिट्स. जब तक सारे डिजिट्स खत्म नहीं हो जाते तब तक आप हर 3 डिजिट पर कॉमा को इंसर्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस. लेट अस इट विद एन एग्जांपल. सो डियर, now international system, how can we insert commas? Let us the example, that is 142057836. So dear, what to do? You will count once again 3 digits from the right hand side. 1 2 3. It means you will insert the comma between 7 and 8. So you will get just like that. This is the first comma. And then after that this you will count every 3 digit into the international system. So 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. It means you will insert the comma between 2 and 0. So this is the next comma. And again you will count the 3 digit, that is 1 2 3 and after that no more digit. So this is process is end. So here is only 2 commas is required. So how can you read this number? You can read this number as, that is ones, tens, 100 and then this is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and then this is million, 10 million and 100 million. So how can you read this number? That is 142 million. 142 million and this is 0. So you can read only this 57,836. So you can write this number as into the international system. So this is 142,057,836. Now let us one more example for inserting the comma. So here is this. Again you will count 3 digit from the right hand side. 1 2 3. It means you will insert comma here between 2 and 8. So this is the first comma. And after that again you will count 3 digit 1 2 3. So you will insert comma between 2 and 7. So this is the next comma. And no more 3 digits here. You can count only 2 digits is remaining. So no need to inserting commas more here. So this process is end. And here you can see that this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and this is million, 10 million. So you can read this number as 32,712,805. So this is the international system, and there you can mark commas such numbers into the international system. Now dear, next one things is Roman numerals. That is the next system. How can you read, how can you write the numbers into the next system? So this system is known as Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Roman numerals is also called Hindu-Arabic numeral system. जो रोमन न्यूमेरल होते हैं उसको हम हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमेरल सिस्टम भी कहते हैं। इस चीज को याद रखना, कभी भी एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा रोमन न्यूमेरल्स में इस नंबर को लिखिए तो आप वही चीज लिखेंगे, और अगर ये कहा जाए हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमेरल सिस्टम में इसे लिखिए तो भी आपको रोमन न्यूमेरल्स ही यूज करना है। एंड देयर आर टोटल 7 सिंबल्स इन द numeral Roman numerals. That is, this is known as the first one is, this is first, and this is the symbol of fifth, and this is the symbol of 10, and this is the symbol, that is L is the symbol of 50, and C is the symbol of 100, and D is the symbol of 500, and M is the symbol of 1000. So keep in mind, this first one is symbol for 1, and V, this is the symbol for 5, and X, this is the symbol for 10, L, this is the symbol for 50, C is the symbol for 100, and D is the symbol for 500, and M is the symbol of 1000. So how can you represent the number? These are the numerals, that is Roman numerals. First, you will read it as first, and first one means 1, and second is fifth. So this is 5, and 10, x means 10, okay, and L means 50, and C means 100, and D means 500, and after that M means 1000. Okay dear, so let us learn some more things here into the Roman numeral. This is known as first, and read as first, and this is the second means 2, and this is the third means 3, and this is the symbol of 4, that is fourth and fourth, the same things, and this is the symbol of fifth means 5, and this is the symbol of 6, so this is sixth means this is the 6, and this is the symbol of seventh, so it is into the counting 7, and next one, this is the symbol of 8, so you can write this 8 as, after that 9th, so it is 9, and IX is 9, and then X is the 10. Now double X is 20 because 10 plus 10 means 20, okay, and then triple X, X and X means 30 because 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Keep in your mind, if you write 3 times any numeral, then it will be add just like that. First means 1 means 3, okay, and now how can you write 40? 40 means L is the symbol of 50, and before you write this symbol X means 10, so if you write before this X, it will be subtract from 50, L में से 50 को माइनस कर देंगे, तो L मीन्स 50 है, 50 में से 10 माइनस करेंगे तो क्या होगा 40, and L is the symbol of 50, so you will write L is the 50, और अगर L से पहले आप 10 लिख देते हैं इसका मतलब है आपको माइनस करना है। अगर आप बैकवर्ड में यहाँ पे कुछ भी न्यूमेरल लिखते हैं, इट मीन्स इट विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द दिस सिंबल, ओके, और अगर आप फॉरवर्ड में लिखते हैं, आगे लिखते हैं, तो उसको ऐड करना है, जस्ट लाइक दैट हियर LX means dear, L is the symbol of 50, so X means 10, 50 plus 10 means 60, and LXX, it means 50 plus 10 plus 10, so it is 70, and after that LXXX means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that's 80. And you cannot repeat any numerals more than 3 times. Okay, keep in your mind. So now after that 10, तो हम इसको 90 को LXXX 4 times x नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Only you can repeat any numeral 3 times. Okay, so for writing the 90 you will use the symbol of 100 and you will write x. X means 10 before c, and before c means it will be subtracted from 100. c means 100. 100 में से 10 माइनस करेंगे तो आपका हो जाएगा 90. So the symbol of 90 is c, xc. Okay, and c is the symbol of 100. Okay, keep in your mind c represent 100. Now you want to write to 200, so you will write here double c, that is c and c means 100 and 100, that is 200. And after that 300 if you want to write, then c means 100 100 100, that is 300. And after that if you want to write 400, then you cannot repeat c 4 times. नहीं लिख सकते c को 4 times. So क्या करना पड़ेगा? You will use the symbol of 500. And the symbol of 500 is D. And if you write the C just before D, it means C is the symbol of 100. So 100 is subtracted from 500, you will get 400. ठीक है, D is the symbol of 500 and C is the symbol of 100. तो अगर आप 500 में से 400 को माइनस करेंगे तो 400 हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू वांट टू राइट 600, then this C you will write to right hand side, that is DC. So D is the symbol of 500 and DC is the symbol of 600, because D is the 500 and C is 100. So this 100 will be added to 500, so you will get. And if you want to write the 900 here, so you cannot write directly, you can use the symbol of 1000. The symbol of 1000 is M. And if you write just before C, C means 100. So it means 100 is subtracted from 1000. So you will get 900. अगर आपको यहाँ पे 900 लिखना है तो 1000 में से माइनस करना होगा. और 1000 में से कितना माइनस करेंगे कि 900 हो जाए? तो 1000 में से 100 माइनस करना है. एंड 100 इज द सिंबल ऑफ C. तो आपको M से पहले C लिख लेना है. Then you can write this is 900. But if you want to write 64, अगर आपको 64 लिखना है, then how can you write? So dear, keep in your mind, you know about the symbol of 50. The symbol of 50 is L. Okay, and next symbol of X is 10. 50 and 10, that is 60. Now remaining is 4, so you will use the symbol of fourth. So it is 64. Now if you want to write 98, then how can you write 90? So first of all you will write the 100. सबसे पहले आपको 100 लिखना होगा. तो 100 के लिए आप कौन सा सिंबल यूज करेंगे? C का. तो 100 से 98 नहीं होगा. अब आप क्या करेंगे? You will write just before X. X means 10. बिफोर लिखेंगे तो 100 से 10 माइनस हो जाएगा. 100 से 10 माइनस कीजिए तो क्या मिलेगा? 90. 90 हो चुका. XC means 90. Now requirement only 8. So you know the symbol of 8 is V first. So this is the Roman numeral of for 90. Now if you want to write 476, then how can you use? Okay dear, you cannot write directly 400. So you will use the symbol of 500. And the symbol of 500 is D. 500 का symbol क्या हो जाएगा दोस्तों? D. और D 500 है और आपको लिखना है 400. तो आप क्या करेंगे दोस्तों? D से पहले C लिख दीजिए, because C is the symbol of 100. तो अगर पहले लिखेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस हो जाएगा. अगर 500 से 100 माइनस करेंगे तो 400 हो गया. 400 आ चुका है. अब आपको कितना लिखना है? 76. तो 76 डायरेक्ट नहीं लिख सकते. यू नो द सिंबल ऑफ 50 एंड द सिंबल ऑफ 50 इज L. सो दिस इज 450 and now requirement is 26. So how can you write 26? You know the symbol of 10. So this is X. अब कितना हो गया? 460. One more you write X. So this is 60 plus 10, 70. that is 470. And now next one is requirement 6. So you will write the symbol of 6, that is V and first. So this is the 476 into the Roman numeral. But dear, how can you write that the number 2629 into the numeral? Okay, Roman numeral. So dear, you know here is 2000 and the symbol of 1000 is M. So you will write MM. M means 1000 and again M means 1000. So 1000 and 1000, 2000. Now 600 means you cannot write directly 600. You can use the symbol of D. D means 500. And one more requirement 100 for 600. So 500 and the symbol of C is 100. So DC means 600. That is 2600 you have to write. Now requirement is 29. So the symbol of X is 10 and again the symbol of X is 10. So this is 20. And now one more things is required, 9. And 9 is written as IX. So this is the Roman numeral for the 2629. So dear, this is the system, that is the Hindu Arabic system or Roman numerals. So now dear, thank you so much for watching this video. I think that you will be know much more knowledge from this video. So once again, thank you to all.